You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this area in Saudi Arabia. If you want to learn more confusing names of famous cities in this area too, stay tuned. I've got more videos you need to listen to and learn from. It's pronounced in English Neom, the Arabic pronunciation. I think the local pronunciation is probably more as Neom, Neom, but in English it's normally pronounced Neom. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.